So here we have the de-stoner on my left hand side, and it's a brand new potato plant on the right hand side, I believe. I've obviously got that big electric pile in it at the moment, tractor in the background there, heading down the road somewhere. So I'm just actually filming from the car as it's quite windy, but I will go nearer and get closer. So there we have a farm near Cullen. Just forgotten the name of it, probably come back to me sometime. So as I said, I'll get closer and get some photographs and such like. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 New Hollands in the field at the moment that I can see. That's the one making the drills there. The potato planter. Must have been something that happened, big stone or whatever in the machine there. So it actually looks like there's 2 stoning machines, de-stoning machines rather, and that's a green one, that's a potato planter there, all in the same shot. I thought maybe trying the drone up, but these pylons are not too clever. It's not so good. Very good ice cream. Go there quite often just to have a to be honest, I look at the farmers weekly and an ice cream, which is good. That's the 2 New Hollands in together, which is not too difficult in this field because it's only New Hollands that's in here. So there we have another New Holland that's sitting with the potatoes on. I'll most likely find out what it is at some stage before I leave the field today, which is not too unusual.
Cause I don't think I could take another sleepless night. So take my hand and come with me, and I'll show you the places that we were never meant to see. Yeah, you get your rifle and I'll get my gun. Lordy, Lordy, hallelujah, yeah, I think I found the one. I wanna go where the lights are saying my name. Wasted talent just like mine is such a crying shame. And I hate to say I told you so, but you know I'm right. So go and tell your daddy you won't be coming home tonight. Yeah, so take my hand and come with me, and I'll show you the places that we were never meant to see. Yeah, you get your rifle and I'll get my gun. Lordy, Lordy, hallelujah, yeah, I think I found the one. I don't care where I'm going, just as long as I'm with you. You'll still be thinking of me even once we're pick up my rifle and you'll pick up your gun, and we'll both shout hallelujah, yeah, 'cause we know that we're the ones.